What's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have an MG5 and in this car today I will show you where is the fuel pump fuse. Okay, fuel pump fuse, you can see here this is accident car. So fuel pump fuse in here, this fuse box, but where is the location we don't know cause there is no information. Okay, see here there is only number. So open this owner's manual book, okay, and then see here the fuse box which is for fuel control. See fuel pump F29 20 ampere fuse. Okay, here is F29 20. Yes, this is F29. Here this one, this one for fuel. Okay, this fuse for fuel pump, this one. Thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.